Hi and welcome to the Covert Social Press 2.0 demo video, and I'm extremely excited to show you exactly what this brand new and powerful WordPress theme can do. And indeed, this new WordPress theme powers your own profitable social network empire with real members building your sites for you without you ever having to write a single word. And it sucks in free traffic from Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest on complete autopilot. And you can have your very own profit-pulling social network up and running in just 5 minutes from right now with all the functionality the big boys have. With real members joining your social network, building your sites for you on autopilot. You can also automatically get your leads and your members exported and added to your own autoresponder of choice, and we're integrated with iContact, Mailchimp, GetResponse, Aweber, and indeed every autoresponder out there. But you don't have to rely on getting members. You can fill your own sites with quality content in minutes and still without you ever having to write a single word yourself, ever. Covert Social Press will also start sucking in free traffic from Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest, building automatic backlinks to your blogs, and again, it's all on complete autopilot. Covert Social Press is also fully monetized, making it super easy for you to profit from your free traffic. And if you order today, you will get multi-site and developer's license included with your crazy low one-time investment. And that means you can build as many sites as you like with this theme. And you can also build sites for client, and you can build sites that you flip for profit. I know these are some very bold claims. So since action speaks louder than words, let me show you exactly how Covert Social Press 2.0 works and what it can do for you. And here we are. Welcome to my Covert Social Press 2.0 demo site. And as you can see, I've built a social press site in the World of Warcraft niche here, which is a great niche with lots of great products to sell and lots of good content to pull in. Now, what you're looking at here is what your Covert Social Press sites will look like straight out of the box without any customization. And as you can see, they look very clean, crisp, and professional. And they're designed in a way that people would be familiar with this type of site because it looks very much like the big social bookmarking sites out there. Now, of course, you can completely customize the look of your sites, and it's very easy with our step-by-step wizard, and I'll get into that in a bit. Now, the best part about this site is that it's filled with great content, but I did not write a single word of it. All I'm doing is curating content, and it's very easy to fill it up with good content. If we look at it here, the functionality of the site is, of course, that people can like a post by clicking the button here. They can share it on, and it's integrated with Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Google+. So it's easy to get social traffic by having people share posts. They go in here, and that will create a social media post and link back to your social press site. The other thing you see here is the save button, which is extremely handy. I can click this save button here, and what it does is it adds a post to my reading list, and let's add a couple of here. So people will use this to mark something that they want to read later, and then they can go to their reading list and they can access the post here, they can like it from here, they can delete it, and they can go to the link as well. It's a very, very handy feature for people to save something to read later. And as you can see, the theme also has integrated sidebars that you can also put on the front page or anywhere you like, so that's fully widget ready and monetized as well. And finally, we also have the follow me on social media, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+ up here that can help you build a following. Now, let's look at how to get some great content into your social press sites. And we have up here a link that says submit a link, and it goes to this page here. And this is where people, you as the admin or your members, will submit content or bookmark content on your site. And this can be done in 3 ways. First way is simply to put in a link for whatever you want to bookmark up here. We have a submit button that you can drag to your toolbar, and then whenever you're on a website you want to bookmark, you simply click this button on your toolbar and it automatically starts the process. And finally, we have share buttons down here that you can put on your other sites or your members can put on their sites. And whenever people click one of these buttons, it will share the site or the post they're on onto your social press site. So that's the 3 ways, but let's try one of them. I have a World of Warcraft blog post here that I want to bookmark. on my social press site. And I'm actually using the submitted button now, clicking that in my toolbar, and it takes me to the submit a link page here, where it will pre-fill the information for me. And here we go. It has the title here. I can edit the title if I want to, rewrite it. It has the description it pulls in. I can change that, write a new one if I want to. I can then tag the post, which I'm just going to do very quickly here for demonstration purposes. And then you select a category on your blog, on the social press site. As the admin, you can set an initial like count for the post. So I've started out with 3 likes. Your members, when they do this, they of course count. Then you can upload an image, or you can select an image from the source site, which I am going to do. This one will do fine. Or there's also the option to use a stock image here. But that's all there is to it. Then you just click submit. And if we go back to the site here, we'll see that this new post is now live on the blog, has 3 likes, it's ready to go. And that's how easy it is to add content. If we go to the actual post here, you'll see that this is a social bookmark. It's got the image, the description we put in, and it's got a link to the full article on the blog. So you're curating content, you're bookmarking it, linking people out to the full article, but you're reaping all the benefits from running a social press site, for being a hub for a particular niche. Now, the really cool thing happens when you start getting members who interact with your site and who add content for you, and that's how you're going to get into getting a social press site that will grow on autopilot. And the reason people will sign up is pretty simple. What I can do here is I can try to log out, and then we're on the page log out here. If I want to use the save function, and I'm not logged in as a member, it tells me that I need to register. If I want to like, you have an option to set that people who aren't registered can like, but you can also set it so that you have to be signed up to like. And also, if I want to submit a link, it tells me that I want to be a member. Now, people will primarily join your site because they want to bookmark their own sites on your site in order to get backlinks and traffic from you, and they will sign up in order to do that. But some people will also sign up to get the other functionalities like liking, saving, and all that good stuff. And if they're not a member, they can also click here to subscribe to your RSS feed. Now, in order to register, they simply click up here, right? And they create an account, and that's it, they're a member. So if we go into the WordPress admin area, and I'm just logging in again, and I want to show you the step-by-step wizard we have in here. And there are 8 steps in here. They're broken down into tiny steps. Each step has a handy tutorial video that will play right where you need it. Just click the button up here. And in here you can change all the colors very easily, color selector tools and all. You can change the menu text and all that good stuff. You have options for the sidebars, for how the homepage should look, which social media to integrate with, whether when people click something, if they should go to a post on your blog or go straight to the source link, and all that good stuff. But what I really want to show you is the membership options, which we are on here. Now, here's the really cool thing. When people join your site, and they will, in order to submit their own book links, you can send them a welcome email, which you can completely customize here. Obviously, you give them a username and password, but you can also include a promotional message here to try to sell them something, either your own products or an affiliate link for something else. Even better, we have full autoresponder integration. So you can integrate your social press sites with Aweber, GetResponse, iContact, MailChimp, and indeed any other autoresponder out there. And it's super simple. We have tutorial videos for it as well. You just put in your API codes, which these programs will give you. And then what will happen is when people join your social press sites, they will automatically be sent to your autoresponder of choice, to the list you want them to. And this way your social press sites will automatically be building you a profitable list as well. And that is one of the 3 main ways to make money with running Covert Social Press sites. One, you'll be building a list, which is also always good and always profitable. We also have the option to have a pop under link URL, and what that does is that whenever people go to your site and they click something, it will do a pop under of a link that you specify. It could be a squeeze page like I have here, it could be an affiliate link and whatnot, and that will help you monetize your site. Even better, we have inbuilt theme ads for the Covert Social Press 2.0 sites as well, where you can set up to 5 different ads that you can configure here. This can be AdSense code, it can be Amazon ads, it can be banners, it can be whatever you want to put in here. Then you can define how many ads to show per page, how many posts to show before an ad appears. So you can do whatever you want, and whether you want the ads to be shown in order or random, and then you put your ads in here. And if I save this, go back to the site and just reload it, you'll see that the banner ad that I just configured will randomly show up in between my post as I have specified. And you'll see it moves around at random according to my specifications. So that's the Covert Social Press 2.0 theme. Extremely easy to customize, to make look exactly what you want. Monetized in every way possible, with ads, with you building a list. Really great functionality, something that people will join in order to use, and something that will build itself on autopilot as people join your list and start submitting links. And you have a very easy way to give this a head start yourself by quickly adding content using the link submitter here, the submitted button, or indeed just putting these buttons on your own, your other sites. That was a quick demo of the new Covert Social Press 2.0 theme. I hope you liked it. It's definitely a super powerful theme no matter what niche you deploy it in. You can read on below for more information about the theme, or you can click the button below to start using Covert Social Press 2.0 today, because time is literally money. The dime sale is on and the price goes up with every order. And the early bird special will end and the price will go up when the countdown timer hits 0. So click the button below to secure your copy of Covert Social Press 2.0 today before the price goes up.